Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. You all know me, I'm Doug. Hey, I got a great one on here on the dyno this morning. Little small block Ford, 363 cubic inch motor. Man, it's got all the great pieces and it's got some super numbers. We start out with a Ford Racing, a dark block. Alright, so we got a nice dark block. It's got the big bore in it. It's got 4 1/8 inch bore. We got a nice small stroke in it. And that thing creates the cubic inches of 363 cubic inches. Now, here's how we finish it off. We got an Eagle rotating assembly, a steel crank, an H-beam rod, and a forged piston. I hand file all the rings. I top it off with a nice mechanical roller cam in this motor. We got some nice tie bar lifters. We got AFR heads on this. I cut the spring pockets to make sure I put the proper springs I want on this bad boy. I got some Magnum roller rockers from Comp, Manly push rods, Edelbrock intake, Holleycarb MSD distributor, Canton oil pan. This thing makes 585 horsepower and 560 something foot-pounds of torque. This thing is wild. Over 500 foot-pounds of torque right off idle. And again, it's making its peak horsepower at 6,300 RPM. Come on guys, you're looking for a little screamer? Here's the bad boy right now. Give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. Peace and God bless. Enjoy.